Hey guys, this is B Programmer here with another video, and yeah, there might be some weird noises in the background. Yeah, okay, but let's just get on to the video. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so at the beginning of the video, of course we delete the sprite. I named this Beetle Catch. What? Name this Beetle Catch. Beetle Catch. Okay, good. Now choose sprites. Now I'm going to choose a beetle. You can choose whatever you want, but make sure it's an animal because it shouldn't be a bull or anything. It'll kind of look weird. It can be in, but I'm gonna pick a. I mean, you can pick a grasshopper or anything, but I'll pick a beetle. Actually, I'll pick a ladybug. Looks good for now. And choose another sprite. I'm gonna choose a. Now I'm gonna choose a dragon. Animals. Dragon. Okay. What is this? Okay. Actually, I'll choose this. Okay, dragon. Now, at this moment, the size is very large. Let's set it to 50. That looks better. So first of all, let's set one green flag clicked. One green flag click. Set size to half 150. Now see this? Yeah, set. So let's set this to 200. That's the experiment. Whoa, that's very big. But when you press a green flag, it's very small. But also, I think the ladybug should be a little tinier. I'll set size to, let's see, I'll just make it 90, maybe 85. That's 85. Okay, that's good. So size to 85. Then do one green flag clicked. So now they both have these sizes. Perfect. Now first, we're gonna get the ladybug moving. Let's just call it ladybug for now. So in codes, they usually use forever stuff. So that's what I'm going to be using today for the movement. But this time it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do key pressed, but after the key pressed, we're actually going to turn his degrees. Turn that. No, we're not actually going to do space pressed. We're going to do right arrow. And I'm going to make this 5. And I'm going to make this turn degrees by 2. Let's see this right arrow. Looks nice, but I'm going to actually duplicate this. Make this faster. And change it to the left arrow. And change this to 2. Now let's see if we add the left arrow. First we need to take away this. If we add the left arrow, yep, the ladybug's moving. But we don't have that much of his costumes. We want it to look a little bit more real. So we're gonna first switch to costume. Wait, do we have a ladybug too? I didn't know that. Okay, but switch to costume ladybug 2. Let me take this away. duplicate that and put it here. Take it away. And now we're gonna do some drawings. Okay, so the first one, this drawings, we make sure it's on select, but now we move this. We're not gonna move it like so much, but we'll move it like that, and then turn this like that, then turn this like that, but then move this up here, then turn this like that, then move it like that, then this like that, then turn this like that, roll it up like that. So this and this, that look different, but this time we're gonna do this way. Whoa. Let's make it a little huger, but then put it like that. This time we move it like over here. This seems okay, but this. And that, and that, and that. Now let's see. This, this, this. They look different. Now Ladybug 2, that'll kind of confuse us. Let's just say Ladybug. Ladybug 2. Ladybug 3. Okay, now we change. Now when switch, actually, we're gonna do just next costume. Take this away, and the next costume. Now let's see it. Wait, and we need to do one green flag click, switch to Ladybug. So it's always at Ladybug at the start. And since we're touching it, it's moving. It's good for now. Maybe 1, because it keeps on hitting the edge. 1. Turn 1. Let's see this. Does it turn well? Ooh, it turns worse. Forgot about that. Let's make it 4. Let's make this 4. Now let's see it. It's much better. That's much better. So, and now for the dragon, we're gonna do the code. Switch to backdraws. So we do set size to 50, and switch to costume dragon B. B. Now see this? So it looks like it's chasing it. See? And then we do a forever loop. Forever. Point towards Ladybug. Now let's see this. See, it keeps on pointing at the Ladybug. Never stops pointing. Okay, that's good for now. It's good stuff. But now we need to go to Ladybug. Let's see this. Wait a minute. Glide. Actually, we're going to do glide, not go. Glide. Set 1 sex to Ladybug. Now see this. Yeah, and it does. Okay. But then we need to move 3. This might help it move slower. It moves kind of, I think it moves the same. Glide minus, let's see, -1. Let's see what it does when we do -1. Take out that, put that, take this out. Whoa, it's like stays on him forever. It's not good. Let's do 3. Yeah, I think 3 is good. Then for the ladybug, I think it's good too. But the dragon, I think we should do looks forever next costume. Actually, we don't need this costume, because the dragon's never gonna be doing that. Because gliding, to make it, actually I'll make it 2. See this? It's good. I'll do 1.05. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so that's good for now. But we need to put the dragon in a certain place. So we'll make it go to this. When green file clicked, go to X, that. And for ladybug, turn it over here, here. Go to, no, not random position. Go to that. So now it looks like that. So now we got both things moving. I hope you enjoyed this video on part 1, the beetle catch. I hope you subscribe, leave a like, and put the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.